my lovely Scorpios. Welcome to Trusted Teller, and we are going to give you a Scorpio reading for personal growth and spiritual awakening for 2021. Let's just get started, Scorpios. Okay. So, how my Scorpios are going to grow personally through this year? Cards, please guide us. Please guide us here. Okay. Scorpios, I feel like with the High Priestess, there are a lot of secrets, mysteries, and a lot of illusions around what kind of person you are, because you've always been hiding, because people may be thinking that you are that rigid, that stubborn, and that bad person because you don't want to get hurt, and in that not want to get hurt thing, you just hide your vulnerabilities and people think that you don't care. So I feel like you guys are going to work on being vulnerable with this High Priestess card. You're going to listen more to your intuition, that actually my intuition, my heart is saying something, that this person is really genuine and maybe I should give them this chance, or maybe my heart says that I really want to go and follow this thing no matter what other people say, or I shouldn't be hiding, or I shouldn't be thinking so much about it, and just listen to my intuition and go for it, because I feel like you're going to grow internally more this year. You're going to grow in a way where you're going to be more motherly towards other people, and people are going to feel more of your intensity. I feel like you're going to be more caring towards people, and they are going to be seeing that my Scorpio cares for me, or Scorpio persons are caring, or they actually can be vulnerable. So I feel like opening up your vulnerabilities says 2021 about your personal growth, that you're going to actually start to open up about your feelings. You're not going to remain in this shell, in this cocoon, and after so much while you'll feel like, I feel that level of comfort with the environment. I feel that level of sense of reciprocity where I can open up my wings and be open about, this is how I feel, and I'm going to keep my thought without any fear. I'm going to keep it with people, in front of people, or with some people. And with the Moon card, I also feel that you're going to get away from that fight of perspective, because Scorpios, this year is about fighting your own perspectives and finding a way out, because sometimes it's happened that you just keep on fighting in your brain, in your own mind, and things remain stuck for a lot of while because you're not able to decide something, or you're just fixed, or you're just so much running through your thoughts in and out that you just don't know which path to choose or where to go. And in that sense of struggling thoughts, you're not able to take action or run out of the situation, or make a run out of something, because and this card is so amazing, as it's going to teach you this year and make you grow in this manner, where you're going to finally go through your thoughts, like, I know I want this too, and I know I want this too, or I know that I don't want this and I don't want this, but I know how to find what to do now. I'm not just stuck in my brain, but I'm actually taking action. These two cards basically are about being more open and going for it, because at times you don't go for it, and this year is about opening up your vulnerabilities to the world and going out from this chaotic situation, actually moving away from the situation and not being stuck in it. And I feel like with the Knight of Cups, you're going to be seen, you're going to grow in a romantic way. You're going to be more open, and you're going to just say that that I feel something for you, and I'm going to offer you this cup of love. I'm going to manifest something. I'm going to go for it, and not just wait, and not just fight in my thoughts regarding that, should I do it, should I not, and not just be so slow. I feel like your energies are going to move more fastly, and you're going to learn how to go, how to not remain in the head, and how to just be outside my head and take action and be more vulnerable. And that's a great lesson to learn, Scorpios. And This is great, Scorpios. Okay, so about your spiritual awakening, what spiritual awakening are my Scorpios gonna get? What spiritual awakening are my Scorpios gonna go through? Cards, spiritual awakening for Scorpios. What sense are they gonna find? Scorpios, spiritual awakening. I feel like cards are being very jumpy in this reading. Cards, please tell me what spiritual awakening Scorpios are gonna go through. Okay. Any other cards? Words to pop out? Okay. Wheel of Fortune wanted to come out in your reading. Scorpios, this card is about the mind conflict, as the swords speak about the mind. So I feel like you are going to solve this mind conflict. The spirit guides, the environment, the universe is going to help you get through your mind to reality. And they are going to awaken that sense of action within you. And I feel that this is more sort of relatable reading from a personal growth and from this spiritual perspective. They both are seeing actually the same things. Just this reading says that you're going to sort conflicts more. They're going to say, help you solve conflicts more with your wit. They're going to awaken that sense of, I would say, mental clarity, but more than that, listening to your inner soul, because you've always been listening to your thoughts, or you're always listening to the logical, what the logical side of the situation asks for me to do, what is the most safest thing to do, what's the most logical or the clear thing to do where I can be safe or be protective of myself. I feel like they are going to teach you this year. The spiritual awakening that's going to come to you is about listening to your soul rather than listening to your mind, and that is how it's going to help you get through the situations, get through the conflict, and you're going to see yourself grow. Because the Wheel of Fortune, with this, your luck meter for 2021 is absolutely on full 100 with the spiritual awakening. I feel like guides are with you in all forms. If you see angel numbers, if you see any signs of the universe, believe them, Scorpios. They are all true. They are going to lead you to something beautiful. Just believe in them, have faith. Sometimes you can just let your thoughts be shut for a while and listen to what your soul actually craves, and not go after all the illusions, all the physical materialistic things on the universe. And you're going to realize that there is something that I can actually feel on a more soulful level, and that's where your soul journey may start. I was also seeing some love cards coming up for you, so you're going to develop that connection with someone that's going to help you feel that God within that relation that you'll develop, and that's going to awaken a sense of beauty or spirituality within you, that I have something, or I feel something that is greater than this God or greater than this world, and this is absolutely beautiful, Scorpios. So thank you so much for listening, guys. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, people. And if you really enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And go to the website trustedteller.com, and you can have the details over there.